Okay, we are going to work together through this worksheet. It's called Price Per Pound and Pounds for Dollars. Remember that we're allowed to use calculators for this unit. So before you begin, make sure you have your calculator handy so that you can use it for your calculations. Okay, let's take a look at this. At this store, you can buy any number of pounds of beans at the same rate. All prices include tax. So here's our sign that has our information. 5 pounds of beans for $4. Part A, how much does 1 pound cost? I'm going to use a double number line diagram, which we learned how to do in the last unit. So we are going to be comparing pounds. I'm going to put L, oopsie, sorry, keep forgetting about this. Okay, we are going to put pounds and we're going to put cost. I'm going to draw my double number line. Now, information that I was given. I know that 5 pounds costs $4. And we're trying to find for 1 pound. That's a unit rate. So I'm going to put 1 here. And my relationship is to divide by 5. So we want to take 4 and divide by 5. Using our calculators, 4 divided by 5 gives us 80 cents, or 0.8 per pound. We're going to write that over here as a unit rate, so we would write it like this. 80 cents for 1 pound. Okay. Part B, how many pounds can you get for $1? Now, this is a type of problem. Up top, we were finding for 1 pound. But in part B, we're finding for $1. So, same setup. We're going to write pounds, cost. Make sure you're writing down and recording everything with me. These are considered notes. Okay. Again, we have the same information. We know that 5 pounds is $4. But this time, we want to find out how many pounds for $1. So on my double number line, I'm going to put 1 in the dollar portion. So now the relationship is different. I want to divide by 4. And the same thing up top. We'll take our calculators. We will do 5 divided by 4. And that gives us 1.25 pounds. So over here, our unit rate, we are going to get 1.25 pounds for $1. Okay, these are different problems. One is finding how much it cost for 1 pound. This is saying how many pounds we can get for $1. Okay, let's move on. So now let's use this information. So again, remember, when I scroll down, it erases, so you need to have this on your paper. Okay, so in part C, Claude needs 2 pounds of beans to make soup. Show Claude how much money he will need. So we're going to do the same setup. We're going to do pounds and cost. And use my double number line again. Now in this particular situation, we're talking about pounds of beans, and since we already found how much it costs for 1 pound up top in part A, we're going to use that information. So we already found that 1 pound cost 80 cents. Now we want to find out how much it would cost for 2 pounds. Very easy relationship here, times 2. Times 2. Again, if we use our calculators, we're doing 80 cents times 2, which would give us $1.60. So we're going to write our answer over here. It would cost $1.60 for 2 pounds of beans. Part D, different type of problem. Dora has $10 and wants to stock up on beans. Show Dora how many pounds of beans she can buy. So this is different. This problem, we're using our money portion. That's the answer that we found in part B. So we still have our double number line, pounds and cost. And we are going to draw a double number line. But this time, we're not using the information from part C. we knew that $1, stay with me here, $1 gave us 1.25 pounds. In this particular problem, Dora has $10. So the relationship here is times 10 times 10. So if we use our calculator or we use mental math here, Dora can buy 12.5 pounds of beans. Let's write our answer, 12.5 pounds of beans. Okay, now the back side of this worksheet has 2 problems on it. So what I want you to do, I'm going to scroll down. I want you to pause the video, and I want you to solve E and F on your own. And then once you have solved and you have your work, I want you to come back to the video and play it so we can work through them together. Remember, you can use your calculator. Okay, you should have solved these. Hopefully you have your answers written down in front of you. And we're going to check if you did them the right way. So for part E, Ellie needs 8 pounds of beans to make chili. Show Ellie how much money she will need. So again, oops, I'll get the hang of this. Again, we have pounds and cost. Now, in this case, 1 pound was 80 cents. That's what we want. 1 pound was 80 cents. And since we want to find for 8 pounds, our relationship here, we're going from 1 to 8 times 8. And then we have 80 cents times 8. So if we did our calculations correctly, we should get $6.40. So we're going to write it will cost, what did we say? $6.40 for 8 pounds of beans. Okay, second problem. I'm going to scroll here. Frank has $15 and wants to stock up on beans. Show Frank how many pounds of beans he can buy. So this time we're talking about money. So same setup, pounds, cost. In this particular one, we want to work with $1 because we're trying to get to $15. So we already know that $1 gave us 1.25 pounds, but Frank has $15. So relationship times 15 times a 15. Using our calculators, we get 18.75. So we answer he can buy 18.75 pounds of beans. Okay, hopefully you got both answers right, and now we're ready to move on.